Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n minus n. This same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. This here we can write it as 4 raised to power x over 4 square equals to 20 from here. This here, what we have becomes 4 raised to power x over 4 square 4 times 4. That's 16 and equals to, can write as 20 over 1. The next step here we cross multiply. 4 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 4 raised to power x. And equals to, here we have 20 times 16. Now this next step here, we take the log on both sides. Here we have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 20 times 16 here. The next step here, apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log n raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. This here we have x log 4 equals to log 20 times 16 here. The next step here, divide both sides by log 4. This divide this side by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4. This here log 4 cancelled each other here, and we have x equals to log 20 times 16 over log 4. And this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this same thing as log a plus log b. This here we have x equals to log 20 plus log 16 over log 4. Then next step here, we separate this into two fractions and we have x equals to log 20 over log 4 plus log 16 over log 4. That is, from here, 16 can be expressed as 4 times 4, and that's 4 square. And what we have becomes x equals to log 20 over log 4 plus log 4 squared over log 4. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes there, we have x equals to log 20 over log 4 plus 2 log 4 over log 4, which implies a log 4 cancel each other here. This becomes x equals to log 20 over log 4 plus 2. And also here, 20 can be written as 4 times 5. Then here, what we have becomes x equals to log 4 times 5 over log 4 plus 2. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 4 plus log 5 over log 4 plus 2. Then we separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4 plus 2 here. And this here, log 4 cancels each other, we have 1 left, which implies this becomes x equals to 1 plus 2, that's 3, then plus log 5 over log 4. Then from here we can write 4 as 2 times 2, that's 2 square. This here we have x equals to 3 plus log 5 over log 2 squared. Then we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here and we have x equals to 3 plus log 5 over 2 log 2, which also can be expressed as x equals to 3 plus 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. Then here we apply change of base. When we have log a over log b, this same thing as log a to base b. This here we have x equals to 3 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then we bring this together as one fraction. This 3 over 1 here. As if we have x equals to the SCM here, that's 2. And here this becomes 6 plus log 5 base 2. That is, we have the value of x here as 6 plus log 5 is 2 all over 2. Then let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 6 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. And here we have 4 raised to power 6 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 minus 2 here. Is it equals to 20 on this side? And here, this power is 2 over 1. We can bring it together as one fraction. We have 4 raised to power SCM up here, that's 2. Here we still have 6 plus log 5 base 2, then minus 4 here. Is it equals to 20 on this side? At this here, 6 minus 4, that's 2. We have 4 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Is it equals to 20 on this side? And here, we can write 4 as 2 square, which is raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. Is it equals to 20 on this side? This here, this power multiplies. 2 here cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2. Is it equals to 20 on this side? Then here, this follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. And this here we have 2 squared times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Is it equals to 20 on this side? And 2 square here, that's 4. 10 times. Here follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. Now this here we have 5. Is it equals to 20 on this side? 4 times 5, that's 20, which is equals to 20 from here. That is, left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And therefore, to conclude here that x equals to 6 plus log 5 is 2 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.